Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful unit on my head, baby. I'm so excited, I'm sure you can tell. Anyway, this is a 180% density Peruvian 22-inch body wave wig with a 13x4 lace front. I'm so in love with this hair, you guys, and I got it from a company called DyHair777. They sent me this unit and guys, I love it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I cut the lace, glued the frontal on, and style it. I actually curled this hair myself to achieve these curls that you can see right here. Okay, these curls are popping, sweetie. So I'm definitely going to show you how I achieve them. But before we get into this video, you guys know the drill. I need you guys to hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the little bell right next so that you get a notification every time I post. Also, make sure to give this video a big fat thick thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, guys, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
It's Husey in the building. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Welcome to my roller coaster.
So like I said, guys, I got this hair from DyHair777, and let's just talk about how cute this packaging is. Okay, every time I receive something from a brand and the packaging is cute, I'm like, yes, sweetie, you know what you're doing. Anyway, so it came in this packaging. There's a little lace bag inside and the wig was inside. So this is a 22-inch body wave Peruvian hair wig. Like I said, guys, this hair is very soft. Like, it's very soft. I absolutely love that it was very soft. And like I said, it has a 13x4 frontal. That's ear to ear frontal. So that's the lace right there. I'm a medium cap, by the way, for anyone wondering. It also has this little lace at the back. And it comes with 2 adjustable straps so you can secure your wig, sweetie. And it also has these combs. It has one in the front, 2 in the middle, and 1 in the back, also so you can secure your wig when you wear it. So as you guys can see, I have a wig cap on. This is just a brown wig cap which matches my skin tone. I'm just gonna adjust it into place, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. I just went ahead and made sure that everything was in position, the lace was in position, and guys, this hair is so soft. I couldn't get over how soft it was. I kept playing with it. Using a hair tie, I'm just gonna tie my hair back so that I can prepare to start working with the lace. Using a small pair of scissors, I'm gonna start cutting my lace, and I actually cut my lace before I glue it down into small sections. That's so that it's easier for me to work with. So I cut on the left temple, right in the middle, and also on the right temple. You're gonna see how this helps in a little bit. To glue down my wig, I'm using this Ghost Bond glue. This is my absolute favorite wig glue, guys. And we're gonna glue down the lace according to the small sections that we've cut. So I'm going to put the first layer of glue right on my skin, but very close to the wig cap. And I'm going to use this small toothpick to spread the glue so that it's evenly spread. After the first layer of glue, I'm going to go in with this blow dryer and just blow dry it until it's a little bit tacky, and then we're going to apply a second layer of glue. After the glue was nice and tacky, I went on ahead and fixed the lace into position. You don't need to worry about that white which you're seeing under the lace. When you blow dry the lace, it's gonna melt and the wig is gonna be securely in place. I went on right ahead to do the other sections of the cut lace. First layer of glue, blow dry, second layer, and then fix the rest of the lace into position. As you guys can see, I went on over the lace with a blow dryer just to melt that glue underneath so that the wig is nicely in place and there's no glue residue.
Playing on the track.
Now that my lace front is securely in position, I'm going to comb my hair back, just get all the hair out of my face, and using some mousse, I'm going to bring all the hair back, and the mousse is going to help to tame all those little flyaways and all that hair that's gonna get into the way. Using some got to be glued blasting free spray, I'm going to secure my wig again, guys. Yes, I secure my wig twice, okay? So I'm just gonna use this to just spray over the lace really close to where I'm gonna cut. This is just going to give me that extra grip, okay? So I'm gonna spray some of that and then use a blow dryer to just make sure that it's secured. Yes. Now that I'm sure that my wig is secured for the gods, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting all that excess lace. Now you must be careful when you're using that got to be sprayed, guys. As you can see, I was spraying a little too much. Most of that excess lace ended up sticking to my forehead, so I just used this little cotton pad with alcohol to just loosen up the glue so that I can lift the lace.
Playing on the track.
And then I began to cut off the excess lace. Now you want to cut in small sections, guys, and also make sure that you cut in like a zigzag pattern. That's so that it has a natural look and a natural finish when you're done cutting the lace and once your wig is installed. Cutting around the ears is still an extreme sport for me, guys, but just make sure you cut it very carefully, and it's okay to cut a bit of the hair. Now that I finished cutting my lace, I'm just gonna comb my hair back, and don't worry about that white residue you can see on the front, guys. I'm gonna show you how to fix it just now. I'm gonna spray some of that got to be freeze blasting spray onto your tail comb and just use that to just pet onto all that white part. Unfortunately, my camera was not recording when I was initially doing it. That's why it already looks like it's done, but that's just the trick. Just use that comb with the glue to just pat over all the white areas. We're gonna get straight into the styling, and I wanted a side part, so I just used my tail comb to open that side part. Now for the baby hairs, guys, I suck at baby hairs, okay? But just use your tail comb to just take a little bit of the hair and snip it off with the scissors, and then using some mousse, we're gonna form the baby hairs. As you guys can see, mine absolutely suck, okay? They look like adult hairs, but we move. I'm still gonna slay this hair anyway. I'm gonna use a scarf to lay my baby hairs, or whatever y'all wanna call them, and just to make sure my lace front is secured. And while that's happening, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my makeup. I'm gonna do that off camera, and bada boom, bada bam, makeup on fleek. Hey, fine girl. Hey guys, I'm fine. What? Anyway, let's get right back into the hair business. I'm going to untie the scarf, and I'm going to get the scrunchie off my head. Using my beauty blender, I'm just going to dab over the area that was covered by the scarf, and I'm also going to go in with the powder. This is just so that everything blends together. And guys, just look at this. Where is the lace? Who is the lace? What is the lace? And then I'm just gonna use this serum, which is also a heat protectant, and I'm just gonna spread it all over my hair. That's just to protect it from the heat of the curling iron, and also to add some luster to my hair. I just sectioned my hair into two parts, the left and the right, and just put some of the hair away, and then I began to curl my hair.
Playing on the track.
Do you guys see those beautiful curls? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I wanted mine loose like this. Absolutely love these curls, you guys. So I just went on ahead and curled the rest of my hair. I just ran my curling wand over the top when I'd finished, just to flatten out that bump. And there, guys, I finished curling my hair. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Using this red comb, I'm just gonna comb the curls just to blend them. I wish I had a wider tooth comb, guys, because this one was kind of breaking the curls, but yeah. And there we have it, guys, the final look. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with this hair, guys. Thank you so much to DyHair777 for sending me this hair, because honey, I love it. Okay, and I'm so happy with the way it came out. All the details of this hair will be linked in the description box below. Okay, and of course I have a discount code for you guys. So if you want to buy this hair or any of the hair on their website, do make sure to use my coupon code JS77. I'm gonna leave it on the screen and in the description box as well. But you can get this hair and you can save $10, guys. You can get $10 off this hair if you use my discount code, so make sure you utilize it. Okay, check out their website and also check them out on Instagram. They have such amazing quality hair. All the details will be in the description box. Cop yourself some nice hair, sis. Like, you gotta be looking good, you know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comment section below if you like these kind of videos, and if you want me to review a lot more wigs, if you want me to do a lot more wig styling videos, I'll be happy to do that. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and do make sure you give this video a big fat thick thumbs up. Please also follow me on Instagram, guys. My handle is sipo.semi_x. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.